Iqembu iANC lethula umqulu walo wezethembiso nezinhloso zokhetho ePitoli sikhuluma nje. Umengameli weqembu uCyril Ramaphosa uyakhuluma njengamanje. Ake siyicoshe bukhoma inkulumo kaMengameli weANC.
And wish him a speedy recovery. As we ask the people of our country for their vote, we are mindful of the difficult times we are facing as families, as communities, and as a nation. All of us have lost friends, have lost colleagues, and in many cases, very close friends and family members to COVID-19. The country has recorded nearly 90,000 COVID deaths and is approaching 3 million confirmed cases of the disease. Nearly 2 million South Africans have lost their jobs. Many businesses have closed, and many people face financial hardship. Through a massive social and economic relief package, we have provided, as an ANC-led government, much-needed support to businesses, to workers, and to the poor households in our communities that were affected by the pandemic. In the midst of all these challenges, and building on the relief provided by national government, people want local government to deliver services that they need and support the local businesses that provide jobs and livelihoods. Our people want protection against crime and gangsters who extort money from infrastructure projects and companies. Local businesses want protection from unfair competition from unregistered businesses, and they do not want to pay expensive license fees, which eats into the little profit that they make. South Africans want water, electricity, sanitation, and refuse removal. Simple things. They want faulty electricity substations, burst water pipes, and overflowing sewage drains to be fixed, and they want them to be fixed on time. South Africans want tarred roads. They want tarred or paved pavements, and potholes that occur must be filled to avoid accidents and burst tires of their vehicles. They want illegal dumps removed and parks with safe facilities where their children can play. This is what South Africans want. In the face of hardship, our people have been calling for strong leaders who put the interests and the needs of our people first. Leaders who are not corrupt, leaders who will not divert money that is meant for service delivery into their own pockets. People want councillors that they can have confidence in and trust. Councillors who will be responsive to community concerns and available when problems arise. And people want, wherever I've gone throughout the country, they want a united, renewed, and revitalized African National Congress. They want this because they know that the future of this country is intricately linked with the unity and the renewal of the African National Congress. They want the ANC to correct its mistakes and once again to selflessly serve all the people of South Africa. We are gathered here in Tshwane and in many places across the country to answer that call. This evening, we present to the people of South Africa the African National Congress's manifesto for 2021 local government elections, which is our plan and our solemn pledge for the next 5 years.
Inkulumo ngamengameli we-ANC yokwethula komqulu wezethembiso zokhetho weqembu iyaqhubeka ku SABC 2 nasesiteshini seyindaba zetelevision se-SABC esisakaza ku DSTV ku channel 404.
Umcimbi wokwethulwa komqulu wezethembiso nezinhloso zeqembu iANC uphazamise ukusebenza kwabathengisa eChurch Square ePitoli. Abahweba emgwaqeni kulendawo abaneme ngokuvala amabhizinisi abo. Bathi bekufanele batshelwe kusenesikhathi ukuthi bazihlalele emakhaya bengaze bechithe imali yokuza lapha.
They abuse our rights. They do whatever they like just because they wear uniform.
Baze baphakamisa nokuthi kungcono iANC ibanxephezele ngemali ebalahlekelile ekhathi besavalile.
ANC, they are taking powers against us. We vote for them. Even now they try to close us. We don't have money for transport.
No, we have to close. Why? It's not good, Mara. It's not good.
The problem, what about? Because these people, they're waiting for food, for family. At least, okay, when we close, they give us at least 1.5 or 2,000 because he's a president, he got money.
Baqinisekiswa ukuthi isimo sizobe sesibuyele kwesejwayelekile kusasa.